On today's video, we run into a bush, go boating on a yacht, turn into dolphins in the sea, explore an abandoned building that's not in Soviet Union, and bet on an ant race going up a pole. Good morning, guys. We're here getting some breakfast. Late start on the day. Beautiful view. Look at that fish. This is the breakfast of champs. Eggs, vegetables, fish, ocean, Russian woman with weird ketchup fetish. I don't understand.
It's not weird, it's delicious. Ага, it should be. А поворот первый налево, это опять.
Okay.
Я поэтому я всеми говорю, что они могут привязаться, лучше надо быстро.
What do you think? Could you live on a boat?
Oh no.
No? Почему?
I feel dizzy.
You're dizzy already?
Yeah.
Really? What's in here? It's the gun room.
Wardrobe.
Oh, it's another bathroom.
Ага.
Cool. This is so funny. Alright, now the real question is, can we wake surf this wave? Is it large enough for that? Let's see. Totally could wake surf that. At a slower speed, I believe. And if we had a wedge device, oh man, that would be... Okay, how is the temperature?
24.
24?
Я переживаю, что слетятся мне ласты. Ну, можно попробовать.
Шикарно.
Right?
The phone in the water.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I'm now dolphin.
Не, у Кристины лучше получалось. Go deeper.
Ага. this one to the right. Olivia.
It's
One of the
also one
expensive
of the
boats.
one of the 10 most expensive
Both.
yachts in the world. It's also a research boat.
Huh.
They do like ocean researches.
Ага.
Yeah, it's Olivia.
But why it's expensive?
Because of this, there's so much equipment in there.
What's this balloon? Like
Radar.
a radar.
Construction.
Просто чтобы
Опыта набраться. Ну да, это такую махину
Первый
водить.
вообще пошел учиться села. He went first. And then он сказал, что мы, значит, покупаем лодку. And I said, there's no way. I'm gonna... Три путешествия мы ездили. Честно говоря, так, чтобы вы знали точно.
It's totally cool. They have a joystick that controls it in all directions with a bow and stern thrusters.
Иногда такой ветер, что хочется непременно спасательный жилет надеть.
Montenegro, Porto Montenegro, motor. Oh, I think I see somebody coming. Thank you. He's not wearing the usual.
Just like that. Которая мотор этот, за который я держалась и под воду уходила.
Сибаб.
Сибаб.
Oh, look at that fajita! Howdy. It's abandoned, huh?
Я не розумію, пан.
Oh, no по-английски. Okay. No по-сербски. It's a nice spread. All right, so I guess I've come to this abandoned. It looks like some sort of what would have been a hotel, but everyone in the village said this is an abandoned military outpost. But it looks like, especially over here, it's totally like a hotel. I don't know. But the view is, I mean, look at the view. You have all of the bay. You see Bigova. You see the mountains. And then on the other side is where you get the wide open ocean and sunsets and such, which would be absolutely epic. But let's check out up here and see what it's about. And I'm back solo. Dropped off the Russian girlfriend, and now I'm exploring the world again with my pet owl here. Carl is his name. Look at this. Soviet Union! Soviet comrade! Russia! What the heck? So funny. Totally beautiful. I mean, look at this up here. This is the spot. Wonder how structurally sound what I'm walking on is. Yeah. Wonder if we can get this property. This is like the primo. How would this just become abandoned? It must be, like they say, something part of the state, so no one can have it. So it's abandoned, which is a shame, because look at this. Imagine. Although as nice as this is, I would rather not look at this like other people's. I would rather just look at open nature or environment or something. What do y'all think? First off, would y'all explore something like this and just walk around when you're like 2 stories up, in the middle of nowhere that no one knows where you are, with a phone that has no service on it? Dino GVP. It's a plaster roof, then they've got these boards, and then it's some sort of concrete structure up top. Interessante. Oh, there's an attic up there. Look at that. And I don't know what these huts are down there. From the other side, it looks like these huts are like little camping things. Which, I mean, this is totally a primo property. Have all this view out here. But I really want to see on the other side. Let's see if we can get up there, up the mountain. And these trees too. That just like adds that vibe. That's, you know, look at that. All right, guys, we got our ant army here. Look at this. They're making their way up the pole. All the way. Here we go. Come on. It's a race. Then we have the man on the left or the man on the right. Oh, and he pokes the man on the left, and they get a traffic jam running into the next guy. And here we go. Can you figure out which 2 we're rallying for? They're moving their way up. They're coming up the pole. Oh, and they've run into another traffic jam. Okay, they're running. And they're getting close to the finish line. Okay. Who'd you bet on? A or B? Crazy ants. They have the strength, I think it was 10 times of their own weight or 20 times. It's just something crazy like that. But look at this. They got sewer too. Well. Yeah, let's now inspect the structure underneath what I was just walking on. And what's below this? Ah, another structure. See if we can go further up the mountain. This really is a nice area. Wow. What's this mean? Te amo. Tamo. Ludmilo. Wash. Now this is where we should survey it with the drone and see if I can even make it through here, but yeah, we go, as they say. Oh yeah, these branches sound good. And it's getting tighter and tighter. Oh yeah. YOLO. You know, and the funny part is when you go places like this, if it's actually somewhere like restricted, you're not supposed to be, the beauty of being in this car when I roll up is any police or any military, they're so in shock by the car that I'm in and like so think it's cool in the journey around the world that everything becomes like not an issue. Here's some people. Maybe they know about it or not. Alright, what is this? I think it's an abandoned helipad because on the map it says heliport. Be a good place for donuts, for the drifting. But I wonder if you can get through here. Should we go on foot or just scratch? Oh yeah. This stuff sounds very scratchy to the car. American lazy guy, so we go on the car. Yeah, big guy. Oh, that's a big rock up there. Ooh, 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 oh, ooh. I hope I don't have to back down this, but I think what we see at the end here is going to be what's worth it. And I already see some openness, open water. What do we have? Oh, ho, ho. Have I just discovered the ultimate possible camp spot here in Montenegro or what? Oh, ho, ho. Check it out. That's pretty epic. Pretty epic. Oh, and there's a trail over there. Let's go over there. Yeah. Let's check it out over here. Hey, look, there's a little fire pit too. Okay, let's go to the surveying position of Lamborghini Army. Wow. Okay. That is straight legit a bunker. Look at that. I mean, it makes sense. This is like the entrance of this main bay. So this whole thing would be like a fort. Probably going down it. But what an ultimate place to be. I should be camping up here. Okay, and if y'all are wondering why the car gets so scratched up, this is why. To get to these epic shot locations, look, it just like totally scratches the car. Okay, so I ran into a bush. Oh, yeah. Still don't know why it's on this weird mode on the camera. So it's like a pillbox. Ultimate Explorer boots right here. Look at this thing. Totally cool. You can see the view out. If they cleared all these trees, you can see way out. Ugh.